She's bleeding out! Watch out!
Take her to the car! Take her to the car! Whoa, behind us! Whoa! Hey!
Well, you're trying to assassinate our friend Stormy!
Hand over your friend Stormy so I can finish my assignment.
You know what, guys? Stormy! He's all mine.
This is not good. Stormy is bleeding out. We need to get her bandaged up before she dies.
V, go pick up Reo, take Stormy somewhere safe and protect them.
What? We're not gonna leave you?
No, it's okay. It's my turn to protect you guys. I'll buy you guys some time.
All right, come on. Come on, Reo.
Come on, let's go.
I won't let you get to my friends. It's just a training sword, but I think it will get the job done.
Stop that little insect now!
These aren't training weapons.
I will protect my friends. No! I won't let my friends down.
Let's get him into this command center door.
Okay, right here.
Here, let me punch in the code.
Oh, come on, Chet. Hurry. The assassins can't get us through here. Oh, God.
The assassin won't be able to get us through this door here.
Sit down.
Come on, guys, we gotta bandage Stormy up. She's bleeding really badly. Come on.
Oh,
we need a first aid kit.
I know where it is, Chet. Check this cupboard.
Reel's coming too.
Come on, man.
What happened?
You were in a fight, dude.
Did I win?
No, you lost badly. It was really embarrassing. Come on, Stormy needs our help. Rio, get over here. Look at her head. She's bleeding out. Rio, you need to put pressure on her wound. Can you see where she's bleeding?
What is this?
What the heck is this?
Scattered Skull must have planted this.
They put computer chips on people?
Yeah.
Well, remove it. Can you pull it off? Whoa!
It shocked me.
What the heck? Okay, all right, that's not gonna work. Guys, I'm gonna go find a first aid kit and I'll be right back, okay? Put pressure on the wound.
You tried to kill me. You tried to kill my friends. But I'm not gonna let you kill Stormy. Not so tough. No! Let go! I need to help my friends! No! Intern!
Now it's time to pay for choosing the wrong side. I'm gonna spare your life if you do the right thing and tell me where Stormy is.
I'd rather die than tell you where Stormy is!
Come on, Stormy.
Okay.
Please.
I've got the first aid kit, guys.
Okay, perfect. Good.
I've got gauze right here. Come on, we need to bandage her up. Let's bandage her head up. Get those wounds sealed.
Here, put pressure on it.
Stormy, can you hear us?
What happened?
What's your name?
You just said Stormy.
Okay, yes, okay.
gonna be okay.
B, we gotta get back to Shinobi. We left him with all those guys. Come on.
Don't worry about Shinobi, he's already dead. What do you mean? You left him with so many. He couldn't do that.
It's not the Spy Ninja way to let a fellow Spy Ninja die. The assassin is on him right now, and the assassin is the one who did this to Stormy.
He needs to pay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We're gonna make him pay.
Yeah, let's
right.
get him.
You're not going anywhere. You're gonna stay in here, heal, stay away from the assassin, keep this door locked. He can't get through it. Come on, let's go help Shinobi.
I'll go help you guys as long as you stay out of my way.
Get on, give me a
Come on.
You tell me where she is now, and I'll let you live.
I'll never will.
Maybe we'll start with him. What do you think about that?
No!
You tell me where she is. Tell me where she is, or else I'll keep punching you.
I would rather die than tell you where she is.
It's not gonna be you who dies. Not first anyway. I'm gonna start with him, the intern.
No, leave him out of it! Just kill me!
This is your doing!
No, don't touch it! Intern!
Just remember, the intern's blood is on your hands, Shinobi.
No, intern!
I'm tired of these games.
Leave him alone! No!
This is your fault.
No! I'll tell you! I'll tell you whatever you want! Just don't hurt Intern! No!
All right, now tell me, where are they hiding her?
I'll tell you whatever you need to know. Just don't hurt Intern. He has nothing to do with this.
You tell me where they're hiding your friend Stormy. Now, or else he dies.
We have a secret command center upstairs. They're probably there. It's where our med kit is.
That door is locked. What is the code?
No, I'm not. No! It's
The code!
72923. I'm sorry, Spy Ninjas. I had to.
Take back your stupid camera.
Hey, Reo, what do you know about that chip that was in Stormy's head? That was weird.
I don't know. I think it was whenever they were updating the DNA of the assassin to make him really strong. I think they were doing something to Stormy, maybe.
Okay, but look for weapons.
We should definitely get access. That's.
I got the key. Yeah, axes is a good idea.
Yeah, guys, we really gotta hurry though because the assassin is after Stormy only. I don't know why they want Stormy. Why do they want Stormy?
She's a pretty good fighter, and she knows a lot about your guys' plans, so she could be useful.
All right, V, take your axe. We're all three gonna kick some axe.
Yeah!
All right, Shinobi, we're coming to help you, buddy.
Yeah. Come on!
What the? Where'd they all go? Guys, you okay?
Oh my gosh!
Crap, you're bleeding. Holy! Oh my God, we need to bandage you guys up.
Oh my gosh!
What happened there?
Shinobi, are you okay?
I tried my best, guys.
It's okay. It's okay. You scared him away. Stormy's safe up in the command center. Okay?
In the command center?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
You okay, intern?
Sorry.
Intern, oh my gosh, you're so hurt!
Nothing to be sorry about, Shinobi.
No.
No, it's okay.
You take care of the assassin.
You held off the bad guys.
No,
it's fine.
but the thing is, I told them where Stormy is.
And you did what?
I had to! What? They were gonna kill Intern!
Intern!
Had to!
Forget intern!
We gotta rush up there right now. Come on, Stormy's in the command center. Let's go.
Okay, let's go! Go! Let her go!
Stormy, I'm so sorry!
Get off me!
They had axes. Let her go, or else we'll be forced to use these.
Good luck with that.
Hey, we got disarmed.
Wait, where's Stormy?
Where's the dishes? Get off!
You're safe.
okay!
God, my head is killing me.
What was the assassin doing, messing with your head?
I don't know. He was like yanking my freaking head around.
I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Stormy.
This is all your fault, Shinobi.
He was gonna kill Intern. So sorry.
What about me?
I know. I'm sorry. I thought if I saved Intern, I could save you. I'm sorry, guys.
HQ is compromised right now. Our main mission is to make sure Stormy stays safe because the assassin's after her. So we need to get her out of here, okay?
Yeah, we gotta protect Stormy and get out of here. So there's gonna be a bunch of initiates out there. So you guys ready for battle?
All right. I got a handle on this. 3,
2,
1.
Go! It's locked. No. What?
Wait, did they lock this down?
Okay, an initiate must have locked the door. We need to check the security cameras and see where they're located, and we'll find the best exit out of here, okay?
This is all my fault.
Shinobi, did you give them the code to this door too?
No,
I wouldn't be
I
surprised.
was hoping that one.
Did they change it?
Oh, intern.
There's an initiate there.
All right, so they're in the arcade center. Whoa, it looks like they all have access now. Okay, so they're blocking all the exits. Well, except for the ninja tag exit. Okay, we should go there.
Okay, yeah, we can sneak Stormy through Ninja Tank and get her to safety there.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go. Okay, quietly.
Stealth mode.
Activated.
Well, you gotta go. You gotta go.
Intern, there's another one. Go. You guys, we gotta get to that door. Why she didn't? She already has a head intern.
There's one right there. I think we're in the clear.
Get Stormy out of here!
Okay, yeah, let's go. Come on, Stormy.
Go, Rio, go! This Ninja Tank is like a maze in here.
It is. What if the assassin's in here, you guys?
Yeah, that's why we need to hide you from them.
Okay, follow Chad.
You know, you guys, we've been through a lot together, and I just really feel so lucky to have you guys as friends. I mean, seriously.
Really?
Aw.
Oh.
I love being here, and it's been so good being part of the team, even though we do some really scary stuff sometimes. But I literally wouldn't want to be doing it with anyone else. Aw, you guys were the best.
We're never gonna let the assassin hurt you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we protect our friends, no matter what happens.
No matter what happens.
Come on, up this way.
Okay.
Can you climb with the camera with me?
Oh yeah.
You wanna hand it off to me?
No, I got it.
You got it? You only need one hand.
Stealth mode.
You go, girl.
Okay. Here,
Come on, me.
here you go, Chad.
Yeah.
All right. We're in the pink area.
Okay, I don't think the assassin won't see us up here, will he?
We'll see him first, hopefully.
Okay, I think we lost that initiate.
You know this is all your fault, Shinobi, right? You betrayed the Spy Ninjas.
I did not betray. I couldn't do anything else.
Oh, really?
The assassin was about to kill Intern and me.
Okay, you should have let him go after both of you, not Stormy. Because
I said he could have killed me, but when he brought Intern into this, that's where I drew the line. And I thought that if we could get out of this alive, that we could go help Stormy. We'd be better off alive than dead. How could we help her if we were dead?
you're an idiot to think that, man. Intern's just a white belt.
But he's still a spy ninja, and we don't leave people behind.
And so you want him to go after Stormy? Stormy's a better spy ninja than you will ever be. She would never do that. What you did.
You're right, she wouldn't ever do that.
Yeah, I am right.
I had no choice.
Oh, good, you did have a choice.
No, I didn't. He had a knife to Intern's throat. If I wouldn't have done this, he wouldn't be here right now.
Well, Stormy's probably gonna die because of you, Shinobi.
No. We're gonna protect her. We're gonna
She
keep her
already
safe.
has really bad wounds.
Yeah, maybe.
And they're after her.
I know, but that's why I tried to stop them. Just to stop them from being after her. Maybe you're right. Maybe
HQ is compromised because of you. You suck, Shinobi.
I don't suck. But I get. Intern, did I betray the spy ninjas? But I think I did put Stormy in more danger.
You did. Intern is the wrong person to ask right now.
Oh, he's
I'm
the-
telling you, you betrayed the spy ninjas, and we're all doing this because of you.
No. I can't be. We just gotta go. We gotta go. If we can't protect Stormy, then Oh God, what if I can't protect her?
We'll at least try.
What if this is all my fault? What if the assassin from the very beginning was after me? When he tried to flip my truck, maybe it's because he's angry and now he's trying to take it out on all my friends. Maybe it is all my fault. Maybe it is.
He came after me, he's going after Stormy.
I'm sorry.
Who knows who's next? It's all your fault.
He has tried to kill every single spy ninja I know. The only person that's left is V. And oh God, is he gonna kill V? We gotta go.
Hey guys, we gotta stay low and hide Stormy, okay? The ninja tag is a great place because it's kind of dark. It's a maze.
There's an initiate right up there.
What if the assassin's in here somewhere too?
We gotta take that guy out.
What should we do?
You know, the Spider-Man web. That plan. You know, we talked about that plan.
Okay.
Wait. You got a Spider-Man plan you haven't told me about?
Our plan's a little different. This is a Spider-Girl plan.
Girl power. Okay, trust us.
Oh, Spider-Girl. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, let's do it, Stormy. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa!
Get out of here! He's stuck! He's totally stuck! Okay, he's stuck in the spider webs!
Whoa! Hey, loser! He's totally stuck in there. He ain't getting out for a while. Come on, this is our chance to leave. Let's go.
Okay. Where's an initiate?
Yeah, I see
Oh,
him.
we need to go find a different exit. We don't need to fight him. Let's go.
You're pathetic for trying to avoid a fight, Shinobi. I'm gonna go get him. Hey, initiate! Get over here! Stay away from Stormy!
Real! You could have killed him!
Follow me to the exit.
Intern, he could have killed him! Is he... Oh, okay, good. He's still alive. Okay, I guess let's go follow Reo.
Guys, just enter the exit. It's right down this hallway. We got this. You are outnumbered, assassin. Just let us get out of here.
You've always outnumbered me. It's never helped you before.
We got flashlight this time. It's not gonna work.
Yeah, it ain't gonna work this time.
This isn't for the lights.
Stormy! Oh my gosh, what was that? What was that? Stormy! You okay?
Stormy!
Let her go. Just don't have axes. Don't swing the axe. Just chill.
Take her to the cider truck.
No, don't do that!
Let her go.
Back up. This is linked with the microchip in her brain. One more step, and I fry her for good.
Okay, we'll stay here.
Don't do that.
I'm so sorry, Stormy!
It's all your fault.
Get him. Come on, let's go. Stop them. Come on.
Stormy!
Open this door. What the heck? They locked it.
We gotta go to the front of HQ!
Yeah, we gotta stop the cyber truck.
Go!
Stop them. No.
No!
Hey.
Oh my god!
Hey, let go of Stormy. Let go of Stormy. Stormy's in there.
Shinobi! This is all your fault! We lost Stormy because of you!
No, it's not his fault. He was trying to protect us. He saved the intern's life.
No,
If it
guys.
wasn't for him, we would still have Stormy.
He's right.
I know.
No, he's
This
not.
is all my fault. This is all my fault.
No.
And
No, it's not your fault, dude. You were trying to do the right thing.
Yeah.
no. Rio's right. This is all my fault. And after betraying the spy ninjas, I can't face you guys. I need to quit the spy ninjas forever.